got a 2000. I gotta get better knowing this. 2010 Cadillac CTS wagon. This is a family. It's a family player's car here, man. You got one of these guys, you being somebody. Anyways, we're just doing a headlight on it. Had moisture in the headlight, as seen right here. We've got the new one on. Look at that bad boy. Look at all clean and shiny. Let me show you how to do it. All right, so we gotta take the bumper off to do this headlight. Don't make that face. Don't be scared. All right, I got you. Just like Peter Frampton, as I always say, I will show you the way. All right, let me show you how to do this. All right, you're gonna have 10 plastic retainers across the front. They're gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you have those done, you pop this up, just lean it back, and then you'll have 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove those and remove this 10mm head bolt here, and this 10mm head bolt here. These kind of clip removers are pretty beneficial right now. You can use those to go ahead and get under each tab. It'll work like this. Pull that right up, pull it out. Once you have the 10 retainers and the 2 10mm head screws off, there's gonna be a similar retainer right here and another one right here. Go ahead and unlock the steering wheel, turn the tire in. With those 2 retainers off, one right here, and the one that goes in this hole here, you've got your 10mm head bolt right there. You're gonna wanna undo that and those 2 retainers on each side. So once again, 10mm bolt, right there, retainer right here, retainer right here. Undo those, come underneath. Look at my big bad toolbox while you're here. Then go ahead and come across, and you just wanna get the ones that the bumper is attached to the wheel well. So you're gonna have one right here, another guy here, and another one, this guy here goes into it. And this guy here goes into the fender well as well. So anything that goes into the fender well, you're gonna have to undo. So this one here is gonna be 1, 2, 3. This was missing one on this side. I'll go ahead and I'll throw one in there. We want everything to look like it hasn't been worked on, but everything's working correctly. So let's get that. We'll get that knocked out when we go back together, and you're ready to take this thing off. That's Ben. He's my coworker. He calls everything bacon. You want to say hi to the camera, Ben?
Hi.
He just couldn't refrain. Hey, once you guys get all the bolts loose that I showed you, it's just grab behind the fender, and it'll be a little stiff, but it pops right off. I went ahead and set my special Griffzilla edition lounge mechanics chair right here to go ahead and set the bumper on. You don't need to take it all the way off, just far enough to get to the 3 headlight bolts. Take that off, ready to go. Once you got the bumper off, you just got a 10mm bolt here, a 10mm bolt here, and a 10mm bolt here. Undo those, you pop this thing right out. Go ahead and unplug it, put the new one in, and let's reinstall the bumper. When you go to put back on, just lift it up. It's not real heavy. If you need a helper, go ahead and get one. Don't be too proud. Don't be like, oh, I'm too cool, I can do it. Just ask Papa if you need it. Myself, I don't need help. I was pulling this bag out. Right, Ben?
Yeah.
See, Ben guesses, and he's got a college degree. I don't know why you're doing this. Just line this up in place, pat it in, put your screws back in, go bust the tires loose, cruise by the high school. Hey, I hope this helped you out. You like Jerry Maguire. So help me help you. Subscribe to the channel. And if you got any questions, comments, anything you want to see, please let me know.